Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So I'm going to do a wrap-up video today. It's basically just an update on the mystery blind box that I got from Amazon of 20 different paintings for £22.99 I think it cost. I'll put the details down below. I have done the unbaggings of each of the diamond paintings that I got. If you remember, I did get 2 of this one, and I contacted the seller and they said we'll just send you another painting. So I've got to keep this painting, so I've ended up with 11, and they have sent me another painting. So I've opened it because I thought, what's this, as you do. And the only thing I can think is it is the painting to go or to replace this one. So I thought you'd maybe like to have a look at it with me. So I've ended up with 11 paintings because it does say on the description that each painting will be different, and I did get 2 identical canvases if you did see the unboxing. So yeah, watch this space because I am planning giveaways or something, or doing something special. I've got to get it sorted out, see how to work out the gubbins, as it were, of how to do it, and then I will get back to you and we'll see what we can do. So watch this space. Right, oh, I don't need my scissors, do I? I've already opened it. Going balmy, I tell you. Right, so let's have a look at this painting and see if it's anything like the others that we got. Some of them were okay, some of them were a bit and some of them were disappointing. But anyway, it's a blind box. It's possibly stock that they've got left over, that they've just decided that they've got a lot of, or paintings that just haven't sold. I'd like to think that there was some good. I mean, there was a couple in there that I would probably have bought, but we'll have a quick flick through at the end once I've shown you this one. Ooh, this looks very pixelated. Oops. Sorry, I've got all the diamonds out as well. I've got to get all of them out so we can have a quick look. Oh, I've got the extra bit. Oh. Bit of plastic. Thanks very much. Okay, so a little bit of wax. I think we've got about 3 or 4 little grip seal bags there. A pen that's trying to escape out of its plastic bag there. But yeah, basic toolkit. Okay, quite a stiff canvas again. There's quite a few of them were. We've got them in the little silver strip bags there with the blue edging. And oh my goodness, what is that supposed to be? We have got DMC codes. What on earth is that? Now then, looking at it through the camera, I believe this is possibly a castle, a fairy castle with fireworks in the background. Looking at it from where I'm looking at it, a little bit closer than the camera is, it looks like somebody's just gone and chucked a load of drills at it. Okay. Well, I suppose it is a freebie. I mean, a replacement of what I've already paid for, but I did get to keep the other one. So, but yeah, that's not the best, is it? That needed to be way, way bigger for that picture to stand out. Oh my goodness me. Yeah, I do think it's fireworks in the background. Oh, I do get some fun things. Oh dear. Let's just give this a flatten down. At least it's poured glue. Okay. So let's just... They've all been reasonably consistent. They're all quite a stiffish canvas. They're all poured glue. The drills are all more or less the same. I think the other one we got really different was the tiger. Where that one, where's he gone? Doesn't have the DMC codes on the canvas and has the most enormous key code you've ever seen. Well, you may have seen bigger, but but the DMC codes are on the inventory sheet, and we did get an inventory sheet with that one, and that is possibly one that I would have ordered, again, it does look a lot better from the camera. Looking at it here, it is very, very pixelated in the middle there. Says 30 by 40, like most poured glue. It is only a 25-ish by 35-ish, so not too bad there. But yeah, that's the only one that was slightly different. The rest of them, the drills are all pretty much the same thing. As you can see, I've put them all nicely into packets and they're all labelled now, so I can find them easily. Well, easier, shall we say. I think, oh yes, there was the one or two where the bags came all in separate bags, which was a bit annoying. And that one came in strips as well. I think most of them. Just double check. Yeah, most of them are, well, all of them are the silver strips with the blue edging. And so one of them, for whatever reason, maybe they'd put the wrong drills or they needed to sort something different out with these, came all sort of like separately cut up into little bags, which just makes it a bit harder when you're kitting up. You've got to go looking for them because the rest are all in number order. So that's today's. So I'll pop that one out of the way for now. And other than that, I say the only different one was the tiger. So yeah, the toolkits were pretty much the same as well, which was your, most of them just had like a pen, a wax and a boat. So yeah, I mean, if you think you're sort of paying just over the £2-ish in British pounds and pence, just about £2.29, £2.30. We've ended up getting 11, so we're around about £2 mark for a painting. I mean, if you're just starting out, you just want something to do, you want a painting just to keep you amused while you're waiting for something bigger to come, or you just like the art of diamond painting, then yeah, I mean, these are rounds, they're all rounds, they're all quick and easy to do, shall we say. I remember when I got my first 30 by 30, when I first started diamond painting, and I thought it was going to take me forever, and I thought I was never going to finish it, and I've still got it now because I just think I'm never getting rid of this one because it was such a struggle. And now I look at it and I think, yeah, that would probably take me night, 2 nights, 3 nights maybe. It's like anything else, you've just got to get used to it and get used to what you're doing. So let's have a quick look at the drills for this one. They are acrylic drills, not resin. Oh, look. Oh, okay, that was where the bit must have come from. Scrunched up bit of double-sided tape there. So yeah, they are the cheaper acrylic drills, not the resin ones. The resin tends to be a little bit heavier, better quality, but you know, they do the job. They still sparkle, they're still nice colours. We've got a few different ones there, purples and yellow, rusty colour, nice rose pink there, and an aqua blue. So there's a lot of colours, 25 colours. Wow, you wouldn't think there was 25 colours on that. It just seems mainly blue background, doesn't it? Hey, so let's have a look at the others. So we have like another burgundy red wine colour, a pale blue, pale pink, a black, a palish grey, an orangey colour, a Caramac chocolate colour. Oh, a lovely deep purple, a little bit paler grey. Oh, look at all the blues. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of blues, but they've put a lot of shading in it. Wow, look at all those different ones. What, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colours. 7, is that the same one? Yeah, they're both the same colour. So I've got 2 bags of that one, which is, number 15 is 820. So we have 2 bags of 820 if you follow your DMC codes. And then another, so all those blues are going to be in this painting. Wowee, hecky thump, that is a lot of blues, and then a little peachy stony colour at the end there. And we've got our aqua there as well. So, oh, it's just like, I thought they were all different colours in that packet then. I thought, so, oh no, I don't want to complain again, they'll think I'm a serial complainer. We don't want to be labelled one of those. Okay. So I'm just listening out for my washing machine as well. It's in the room down below, so if suddenly the desk starts shaking, it's my washing machine. No, only kidding, it's truly grounded, but you can hear it when you are up in this room. You can hear the washing machine. Okay, so yeah, I do believe that is a, that's not going to stick, is it? That is a fairy castle. Right, so let's just have a quick flick then. So we ended up with 11 paintings, and 2 of them were the 30 by 30s, which is the elephants and the heart. Little quick easy projects to do. When I do my labels, I always write the canvas number, which is this number up here on there. So I've called this one elephants. It's a 30 by 30, and I put the canvas number on, so when I'm looking for the drills, because knowing me, I've probably got a few called elephants. I've written mystery on this as well, so that I know it came from the mystery box. And I always write if it's round, square or special. These are the stickers from Rebecca Add More Zest, and you can download these free of charge to print out and use yourself. I just get large A4 sheets of not double-sided, of like a big sticker, just a plain blank sticker, and use those and put one on the canvas and one on the bags. This one, again, I've put the canvas number. I've called this Beach Heart, and I write that it's 23 colours on that one, just so that if I'm looking for something quick, I can have a quick flick through and I think, oh yeah, that one will be quicker to do. That one's only got 19 colours, that one's got 23, one of them's got 50 colours. You know, you can just have a quick flick through. So that was those 2. I think my favourite, I can hear my washing machine. I think my favourite has to be the tiger, because I do love tigers. And I do love the butterfly, but not enough to want 2 of them. That one is a definite street scene. It's like, nah, I wouldn't have bought that one. That's not my kind of thing. That one, yes, I have got a duplicate of that one, so that one will be going to somebody. I will be sorting that one out. So yes, I have actually seen that one in the past and bought it. I think mine's slightly bigger. I'm not quite sure, but I have got that picture. I did see it when I was going through some the other day. This one, which is, I have to work out which way up it goes. It's a good job it's got a thumbnail. Yeah, it's like a moon in a night sky. I wouldn't have bought that. I don't think that does that justice at all. I suppose I can wait and see what is this here. I can wait and see what it looks like. Do you know, looking at it now on the camera, I wonder if that's a swing. Somebody's swinging from the moon and that's a person sat there. That's very, very strange. Oh yeah, it could be. Oh yeah, it is. Oh, it's somebody. Yeah, it's somebody swinging from the moon. I've not noticed that before when I unboxed it. So that's a bit bizarre. So no, I wouldn't have bought that one. This one I have seen a lot, and I would have bought this one. This is one that, yeah, I've had it in and out of baskets when I've been doing orders for various different companies as I've been going through. I've seen this one. I thought, I'll get it. No, I'll get that other one instead. So I'm quite pleased I got that one. So yeah. And this one is a lovely picture, but again, I don't know what the bird is. I don't know what country it's from. And if you do know, let me know in the comments down below, because I just haven't got a clue. So I would possibly have ordered this one if I'd known what the bird was, but because I don't, I would have just bypassed it and probably ordered something like a robin or a kingfisher or something that we have in the UK. Somebody's going to tell me now that this is from the UK. Tell me I don't know what I'm talking about, but that would be nothing new, would it? Okay, and we're back to those. So that's the 10 different paintings I got, and let's say the 11th one there. So would I get another box? I would possibly get another mystery box, because I do like not knowing what I'm getting, and just having a bit of fun, really playing about with it. To say it was, you know, like a bit of a Christmas present from hubby. The Christmas before, Christmas 2020, I did get just the one painting in like a mystery box, and that one said, oh, you could get anything from special diamond paintings to all sorts of different things. And I think they even were offering like vouchers. You could get a $10 voucher or a $50 voucher and all this, and it was real exciting. And then when I opened it, it was like a Christmas picture of a scene that's possibly from the Netherlands, or the houses looked, you know, a bit like the Netherlands, and it was just very pixelated. You know, the cars were like about 3 drills and things like that, so that was really disappointing. So I thought, well, this year let's go big or go home. So we got the 10 pack, and again, it's a little bit disappointing. It's great if you're just starting out wanting to increase your stash, or even if you were doing, say, market stalls, car boot sales. You know, you maybe get double your money for what you've paid for your pack if you wanted to sell these. You know, there's nothing wrong with them. You can still diamond paint them. People can still do them. So yeah, but no, I won't be buying another 10 pack. I may buy a 4 pack or a 3 pack or something, just because I'm a bit glutton for punishment. But no, I won't be buying another pack like this again, another pack this size anyway, unless it's bigger paintings or better paintings, but then you are going to pay more money. So like most things, you pay for what you get. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed seeing these with me. If you have, if you can give me a thumbs up, it's always much appreciated. And if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, then if you press that subscribe button and the little bell next to it, you'll be notified when my next videos come out. So thanks ever so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.